In this video, we will compare Vercel and Bolt, two powerful deployment platforms for web application. We'll explore their features and see which one is the best fit for your needs. Now let's dive in first onto the Vercel features. It optimized for front end, best for static sites and front-end frameworks like Next.js. It has a global edge network. It deploys your site across multiple edge locations for last load times. It has a seamless Git integration, works with GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket for automatic deployments. It also has a serverless function, supports API routes with built-in serverless functions, with custom domains and HTTPS. Easily add custom domains with automatic HTTPS support. Now let's dive into Bolt features. It is a full-stack deployment, handles front-end, back-end, and database in one platform. It also has a container-based hosting, uses containerization for more flexibility in deployment, powerful CLI and API. It also offers strong command line and API tools for automation. It also has a scalability, which optimized for dynamic applications that require scaling back-end services. It also has an integrated database, which built-in supports for database like PostgreSQL and MongoDB. Now, for the final thoughts. If you are building a front-end heavy site, especially with Next.js, Vercel is the best choice for you. But if you need full stack compatibilities with backend services and database, Bolt is a better fit. Now, which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.